Good morning. It is day 4 of our vacation. Today we're going to Grand Marais. Well, actually, I'm in Grand Marais, and we are checking out all the little shops here. I love Grand Marais so much. It's my favorite town in Minnesota, and given the opportunity, I would totally move here. It's so beautiful. Are you having fun, kiddo?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite part about being here?
The favorite part is we're getting candy. The candy that we can get.
Any safe candy that we can have.
Mama. Look behind you.
Rock candy. So I'm going to show you around some of my favorite little spots here, and maybe explore some new ones, and we'll definitely be looking at Lake Superior again because I can't get enough of Lake Superior, to be honest. So. The family's getting candy from this cute little shop. I hear they have this giant moose all the way in the back that's big enough for little kids to ride on. I think the owner just came out and told me that. So unfortunately they have peanut butter fudge there today, so I can't go in since I'm allergic. But
Got my stuff. Got my stuff. 115, Mom.
check out these cups. Oh man, I'm nuts for cups.
Be gentle.
How's your candy?
Good.
Good.
Whoa! What is this?
Really colorful candy. Hold on, let me check it out. It's got like sprinkles on it.
I actually got one of those.
Cool. Yum. I love all these little shops. They're so much fun to look at. There's tutor shops. There's always fun stuff here. Fun. I love this little kid's milk. It's so cute. Whee. This is like your paradise. Look at all the stuffed animals. This shop has some super cute stuff. I got this adorable sweater, and all the way in the back, Mr. Austin got a couple books that were on sale. The owner was super sweet. They gave us one book for free. He picked out 3 of them. Ooh, another t-shirt shop. We love to get t-shirts.
Hi, what's up? We are in Grand Marais, and we're gonna go to the Artist's Point, to the lighthouse thing. I don't know where I'm pointing, but it's a place we're going to. So yeah, I'm awkward. There. That's where I was supposed to point.
Where?
Yeah, Liz, Jillian, what? Why not over there?
Figure it out.
We are walking all the way out to the lighthouse.
Rock towers.
Everywhere you turn, there's beautiful views. And this is why this is my most favorite place, right here. I could play out here all day, although I'd probably get sunburnt. This is probably the scariest part of the walk, but it's not too bad. See, there's enough space to plenty of walking. We made it. So beautiful.
Mama, where's our car? Look at that ladder.
It's time to head back. I'm gonna go get some Spendin' Oli pizza for these guys. And I'm gonna head to the organic, there's like an organic co-op here. And I'm gonna stop back and get some safe food for me. I love that they have an organic co-op here so I can eat food because it's so hard to find food when I'm out on vacation. And the fact that they have something here that's full of safe food for me is just wonderful. Another reason to move here. Now we're checking out the opposite side, far away from the lighthouse. This is on the island side, which is kind of pretty. Actually, it's really pretty. I think this is the part that's Artist Point.